Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace window motor, okay, the one for the regulator on Mazda CX-7. You can see right here, that's the window motor right here, window motor regulator. So stay with us, guys. We're going to go ahead and remove the door panel and get to it and show you what you need to do. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow that channel together, guys. Thank you for the support. Okay guys, so first thing that we will need to do right here, there is a cover that we will need to remove, okay, like that, and underneath it there is a screw, and also this cover right here, you need to remove that one, and this one tends to be pretty tight sometimes. Okay, you just pull it out like that. Now there is those two screws that we need to take care of. Okay, one on top behind the door handle cover that we just removed, and after that we'll need to go ahead and start on this one here in the hole. You can see quite a few videos on that Mazda on our channel, guys, and many more to come. Don't forget to check out World Mechanics, our main fun channel there. We have videos that relate to any car. Okay, we need to pry the door handle out of there, okay, like that. Now we need to disconnect the wire for the central locking, okay, right here. We can just pull the panel now, okay. You're going to grab with your hands, there is a couple clips, okay. You start pulling on it just straight towards you, and after that you need to remove that little cover for the mirror there, okay, just like that. And once we remove the door panel, we will show you where exactly all the clips are, so you know what to expect. Okay, and now next thing that we will need to do, we will need to feed the door handle through the door panel there. Okay, just like that. We need to disconnect all the wires that we have here. Once we disconnect them, we will show you exactly how they work, that piece. Okay, you press here down and you pull. That's how all of them are. Okay, this one as well. And that's for the master window switch there. And sometimes they can be stuck pretty good there. Okay, just like that. So the door panel is out of there now. And let us show you where all the clips are now. Okay, you can see one is missing right here. So we need to go ahead and remove this one and install it on the panel before we put it together later. Okay, and one there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. Alright guys, and once you remove the door panel, that's where the motor for the window regulator is. And if yours is not working, we'll show you how to replace it now with 10mm socket. We need to remove 3 screws now. Okay, you can see 1, 2, and working on the third one. Out of there. Okay, you just pull it out to the side. We need to unhook the wires, okay, and you're gonna press down and pull there. Okay, you can hear the click, and the motor came out of there. Be careful with the window now, because the window can go up and down and it can drop fast. So either put tape or have somebody hold it for you, or just have it in down position. So that's how you guys remove and replace window motor regulator on Mazda CX-7. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.